Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing some more bracelets and all that good stuff. So make sure you stay, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. Okay, so we're going to be using these again right here. I'm almost out. We're going to be using this again. Of course, they are bracelets, so you would need this. So we're going to get these beads out. I didn't know I had that bead like that, but we're going to get them out. And we're going to get started when I finish getting the rest of these out. We're going to get them out. Okay, so now we're really going to get started now. So we're going to go ahead and I'm almost out of string as well. I got a lot of them. Not these, but I got a lot of the other ones. Probably I'll just keep them and take them off my website because ain't nobody really getting them. Well, somebody got one, but them scammers really be scamming. And I don't have time for all that. So, I'm not going to use that one. And I write on canceled the order because why is y'all scamming on my website? Tell me that. I don't play that mess. Ain't want nobody going on y'all stuff, scamming your stuff. You're gonna get something free and then not alone, not that they ain't gonna right address. But hey, whatever floats their little boat. I know scammers want to see one or talk to one. So, okay, but like I said, I am doing them in different sizes. So I'm doing them in different sizes to see how it will come out. I already did 3 of them. And I put that as my shorts yesterday. And I liked how it came out. How they came out, I liked it. So we're gonna see how these come out once we get her out of this place as well. I loved that house, and I don't know if it was like an artificial love, like so let's see. How's y'all day today? My day is going well. I had to lay down for a bit because I'm still on my hair, so I really had an earlier video than this one.
Maybe my will to live, because honestly, I don't think I really cared if we made it out alive.
For the next several weeks, unable to rent another home right away, the Foxes split up, living with nearby relatives.
And I do have a giveaway coming soon. Yes, a giveaway coming soon. And it's going to be 3 winners. 3 of them. But I'm going to get into that at the end of the video, so y'all stay tuned on how to enter. If y'all want a free gift from me, for me making, or for me getting 1K subscribers. So y'all gonna have to stay tuned and put it towards the end of the video, me talking and how to enter and all that.
There's times when I'll still dream about it. A lot of people don't believe.
So y'all gotta watch the video all the way through. No skipping. No skipping. No fast forward or nothing. You gotta watch it all the way through.
I write books. I do everything.
To
so to me, this
enter, and it gotta be subscribers only.
To be tortured by something that you can't
That's what
see.
it's gonna have to be, subscribers only. So yeah. So if you're not subscribed, then go ahead and subscribe, and you know,
in spite of the terror she encountered there,
do what I say to do at the end. Oh, and this is one of my bracelets I made. It's cute, Pikachu. I like it. I'm sure like I got some rings and nails on, but this is one of them. I think I made a video on how I made Pikachu, I think. I don't know. Been a long time. Been a long time coming. And I don't remember if I made a video on it or not.
a family moves into their dream home and is given fair warning.
This bracelet we're gonna do like
When their 4-year-old begins interacting with
big, medium. Then we're gonna go on that. That's how we're gonna do it. Yeah.
Is it a prowler?
I'm trying to have enough for the other bracelets, but I don't think it's gonna be like that.
There was bite mark on her shoulder with 666 branded next to it. You want to
Tell
protect
you
your
the
kid
truth,
because
so
you can't see what's there.
The battle lines are drawn between good and evil.
Remember you used to drive a Yukon. Amore. I got another Yukon in the parking lot in Tucson. Yeah, you with me in the fan with the roof gone. I pull out to me neutron. I can help you get a move on. Like you hard, I know. You let the go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on Baby, would you open up? Would you open like a coconut? You've got a lonely soul. Let me give you someone to hold. I ain't looking to fall in love, but you got what I'm looking for. Hey, baby, would you open up? Would you open like a coconut? Hey, girl, can I open up? Things about time for me to fall in love. I don't know things make it hard to trust. Me and you together is God one. I gotta keep your guard.
Okay, so I just put the bead right here. Just put it right here.
I heard Charlene talking in the playroom. It was like she
So
was
now
talking to somebody that was sitting there.
You keep on my feet, you keep on my feet, you keep me on my feet, happily, excited about, give me things to think about, excited about, you keep me on my feet, happily, excited by all your cologne and your hand, your smile. You keep on my feet, you keep on my feet, you keep me on my feet, happily, excited about, give me things to think about, excited about, you keep me on my feet, happily, excited by all your cologne and your hand, your smile. You keep on my feet, you keep on my feet, you keep me on my feet, happily, excited about, give me things to think about, excited about,
Okay, so
I immediately went into
this
debt.
is one of them right here.
I was petrified. I thought somebody was in our house and
This is the other one. And the other one.
After a thorough search of the house,
And we have these right here.
Craig breaks the news to Kimberly.
Cute. I like them. So now we have 6.
All right, I checked everything. There's nobody here.
no, I saw someone, Craig.
Listen, I did too.
It's cute.
I checked everything. Everything is locked up tight. We're safe. All right.
I'm sorry, all throughout the video, probably when I showed my bracelet, that's when it went out, I think. I don't know. Because when I was saying the giveaway and all that stuff, it was not right. My mic had went out. So, yeah. So let's get into how to enter this giveaway. Okay, so it's 100. I mean, not 100. I keep saying 100. That's what it's going to be soon, 100K. But anyway, 1K subscribers giveaway. When we are reached 1K, it's 3 winners. How to enter You have to comment entered. You got to comment entered. Then number 2, yeah, I'm looking down because it's right here. Then number 2, tell me your favorite Mae-HandMade-Creation product. So number 2 is tell me your favorite Mae-HandMade-Creation product. And last but not least, you got to add pound handmade giveaway. It's going to be on the screen right here. How you going to enter and all that stuff. So number 3 is add pound handmade giveaway. Then it has this, and then, but like I said, it's sitting right here. So how to enter and all that good stuff. So you don't have to worry about how to enter on it. But you have to be a subscriber though. And I'm gonna be looking and seeing who subscribed to me to see whoever comment entered. I'm gonna see who subscribed to me. If you subscribe to me, and I might do a wheel. That's what I'm thinking about doing. So go ahead and do what you need to do, and we're gonna go from there. Okay. But this is the end of my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know the next time I post a video. Bye.